Namaste Adab. My name is Vamsika from 9th grade.
My name is Spandana from 9th grade. International news. UNESCO says 2.4 million Afghan girls denied access to further education. Lebanon becomes first Arab country to abolish death penalty.
National news. Rajya Sabha passes bill to rename Kerala as Keralam after Lok Sabha approval. Education Minister Pradesh Joshi reviews proposal to continue National Wins Come Merit Scholarship Scheme up to 2030-31. Nation celebrates Har Ghar Tiranga with national pride and patriotism.
Andhra Pradesh news. IIT Madras Science Pack to provide technical support for Upada coastal protection wall. ISRO tests improved version of small satellite launch vehicle at Sriharikota.
Sports news. India get 3 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze in Commonwealth Fencing Championship at Lagos in Nigeria.
Thought of the day. Great things never come from comfort zones.
Today's GK question is, do you know friends who wrote the National Pledge of India? The answer is Sri Paidimarri Venkata Subbarao. That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our NT School YouTube channel.